friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another unboxing. Yeah, I know, so many unboxings, but I'm here with an unboxing from Ulta, which actually I've never bought anything from Ulta. This will be my first ever package from Ulta, so I'm really excited to unbox my first ever package from Ulta. I can't remember how much I spent, so it was like right around $100, a little less maybe. I'm not completely sure. Don't quote me, but yeah, let's get into this. So this is the Ulta box right here. Whee! I'm so excited. I got this cute little Ulta. It's the Ulta Beauty All Things Pretty 25-piece collection, and it is $24.99, but I got it for $20 online. It's super cute, so we're gonna open this up, and I love this little like case. It's super cute, and we open it up and it has this beautiful mirror, and then it comes with 3 brushes, and this is a blush brush, which they feel pretty soft. They feel pretty good. I'm not sure how quality they are because obviously I haven't used them yet. And then we have this eyeshadow brush, and obviously the crease brush right here. They're actually really pretty. Came with this dual eyeliner in dark brown and black. We're going to swatch them because obviously you want to make sure and see how good they are. Oh, this is actually really good quality. This is the brown one. It's actually really creamy. I barely touched my skin. Nice. And this is the black, which is really black, which is great. And it came with another dual eyeliner in plum and bronze. So this is bronze. Ooh, very pretty. And this is plum. I really like these colors. As you can see, it's like really creamy. A little chunk came off there, but nothing bad, you know. So these are the 4 eyeliner colors that it came with. It came with brown, black, bronze, and plum, which I'm really excited about because I only ever have had black eyeliner, so this is really exciting to have. They feel really creamy and good quality. So, and it has like this cute little pocket here that you can just put things in and stuff, which I think is really cute. Next, we're gonna open this up, and it came with all of these things, which we're going to try out and check, which is I'm super excited about. And then obviously you can just take everything and just put it inside of this little case, which is really exciting. So I'm gonna take it out this plastic as I unbox it. So here is the eyeshadow palette. It doesn't have a name, it just says Ulta Beauty. So here is the cute eyeshadow palette right here. It is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette, and here are the colors. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the colors for you guys. So this first one is in Shimmer Berry. Ooh, that's really pigmented, not even gonna lie. This next one is in Shimmer Bronze. I am surprised. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like I said, I've never tried anything Ulta Beauty. I've never even shopped at Ulta Beauty before, so this is really surprising. This last one is Shimmer Champagne. I'm not gonna lie to you, I feel like they kind of got them a little mixed up. I think this one should be Shimmer Berry, and then this one should be Shimmer Champagne. But as you can see, it's literally right behind this white one is Shimmer Berry. So I think yeah, definitely, I think they're turned around. So I think this one's Shimmer Berry, and then this one's Shimmer Champagne. So let's do Shimmer Champagne, but it's actually Shimmer Berry. Ooh, look at how beautiful. So pretty. They're definitely mixed up because behind this one right here, it's called Matte Pink Beige. And as you can see, this is not a matte shade, this is a shimmer. And then this behind the matte shade, it says Shimmer Rose Gold. So yeah, and then you see Shimmer Plum, and then that's a brown, and then right here says matte dark brown, but it's actually a shimmer. So I think they're just mixed up. So yes, this is Shimmer Berry, and then this is Shimmer Champagne. So this one is called Shimmer Rose Gold. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that for you guys. These are really pretty shades and so like easy. So this next one is Matte Taupe right here. Good quality. These are nice, like nice swatches. You see that? Then this one right here would be Matte Pink Beige. And we're gonna swatch that right here. So these are the first 6 colors, very pretty. So then this one is called Shimmer Plum. We're gonna swatch baby. Shimmer Pewter, like Pewter City, you know. Please comment down below if you get that joke. Baby, this is quality. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I can't wait to try this on my eyes. I want to see if they show up as nicely on your eyes as they do on swatches. And then this one is Matte Dark Brown, our last shade in the bundle. Baby, I'm not gonna lie to you, Ulta, you might be for a small little eyeshadow palette. I thought they were gonna be like super cheap or something, but these are really bomb. I think they swatch beautifully. They're pigmented AF, so I'm really excited to try these. I'm not gonna sit here and say like, you know, oh, go buy it. I don't know. I'm gonna try it on my face first, probably do like a little first impressions here on the channel about this. I'm really excited about this, so there's that. So next we have this Ulta Beauty face primer right here that came in the little package. I obviously can't try this on for you guys. And next we have a Ulta Beauty Rose Water and Aloe Facial Mist. It says refreshes and hydrates skin. That's literally it. So this is this cute little bottle here. I know it's not focusing because, you know, well, here is the cute little bottle here. I'll definitely like spray a little bit, and it smells really good. It smells like rose water, you know. Next came this Ulta Beauty eyeshadow primer in Nude Matte. Really cute, has like the little squeezy here. Again, something I'll try in the first impressions. Apply underneath eyeshadow to help prolong wear and eliminate creasing. So can't wait to try this out. Cute. Next is this Ulta Beauty Liquid Blush in Rose Shimmer. Ooh, liquid blush. Let's swatch the baby. Ooh, it's already coming out a little bit. So we're just gonna put a little bit. We're just gonna put it here on our hand. And we're gonna go ahead and just it's cute. It's a pretty cute color, you know. Obviously I put a lot because it was already coming out on the little thing, but it's still a really nice color. It's definitely buildable, not too out there. It has like a cute little shimmer to it. I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll show you guys in a little bit, but this is pretty cute. I've never tried a liquid blush, so this will be a first for me. Next we have this Ulta Beauty Shiny Lip Gloss in pink, which is a very cute color. I can't wait to try this. I don't know if you guys know this, but I've been really into lip glosses and lip oils and chapsticks lately. I absolutely love anything for my lips because I suffer from chapped lips all year round. So this is something I'm really excited to try. Next we got another one. It's a shiny lip gloss in Nude Shimmer. Very pretty. I love nude glosses and stuff, like just so, like a lip oil. I really love lip oils because it's just on and that's it. Sometimes you don't want to wear color, you know, so this I'm really excited about. It looks pretty cute. Next, I'm really excited about this one because this is the Ulta Beauty Lip Oil in Strawberry. I absolutely love lip oils. I've been using the AOA Studio ones, which are really nice. So there's this one. Let's smell it and see if it smells like strawberries. Ooh, girl. Yeah. You already know I had to try this. This is really pretty. Yeah, so right off the bat, it's sticky. It doesn't really feel like a lip oil. It feels like a lip gloss. It's like a sticky gloss, you know? I know you can see it. You can see it, right? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy, but it does feel very sticky. It does not feel like an oil. Doesn't mean it's not good. It does look very pretty, but I think it's like, it doesn't feel like an oil. It feels like a gloss to me. But it's still very pretty. It smells delicious as well. And the last thing in this package is this cute little quad. This is a blush right here, highlighter and contour palette. So yeah, these are also messed up. So this right here says they're mixed up. So this is the matte bronzer and this is the mauve blush, and then this is the shimmer peach pink blush, and this is champagne highlighter. But as you can see, they are mixed up as per usual. So I don't know why that's such a flaw. It's actually very funny. So we're going to go ahead and swatch this contour here. Cute. Here's one of the blushes. So that is the matte mauve blush and the matte bronzer. And this is shimmer peach pink blush. Ooh, that's very pretty and pigmented. Now, for the real one, we gotta see this highlight, baby. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, like I do in all of them, and we're gonna go. She's there. She ain't all that, but she's there. That's definitely buildable, you know. I think it's not showing up in person. It looked there. In person, it's there, but it's not. I'm not that impressed. But these are the swatches for the bronzer, the 2 blushes, and the highlight. Oh, see right there, look. See? Don't sleep on it. And here is the blush dried down. I know you guys, just wanted to show you guys. It's there. I know you guys can see it. It's just like really my light. And that's everything that came in this cute little box. I'm very excited to try all this out. Like I said, I'll probably do like a full face try on with just this, like, and obviously add whatever's missing from there. So I'm really excited about that. Next, I got this cute Ulta Beauty Citrus Balm Jelly Soap right here. I opened it, obviously, so I could smell it. It's an orange citrus scent. And this, I got it for $4. I spent a total of $93, and after taxes and shipping and everything, it was $103. So I got this cute little soap. It smells amazing, and I've never tried a jelly soap, so I'm pretty excited. Next, I'm excited for this. I got this deep cleansing oil by DHS. I love this stuff. The ultimate makeup remover. This olive oil based formula completely dissolves away dirt, excess oil, makeup, and even waterproof mascara, leaving your skin soft and fresh, never greasy. So I really love this stuff. I wanted to get the big bottle, but it was sold out, but they still had the travel size. So this is the travel size right here. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps into your dry hands and then gently massage onto your face for 30 to 40 seconds and then rinse thoroughly. I love this stuff. When I tell you I didn't even need, like, girl, all I gotta say is try this. Next, which is what I'm really excited about, is this Pretty Fresh ColourPop Hyaluronic Tinted Moisturizer. So I've never tried tinted moisturizer before. I have used the foundation, the No Filter foundation from ColourPop, and that was my jam. It says, oh, this is in the shade medium 10N. Hopefully this is a good shade. Girl. This is what it looks like. Pretty fresh hyaluronic acid tinted moisturizer. I'm about to check this out because I kind of want to see just to check. No, I don't think it's not bad. It's not bad at all, actually. See? It like, yeah, this is a great shade. Well, this is only on the back of my hand. Let's see on my face. But I think this is actually pretty decent. Yeah, I think this is a pretty good match, but I'm really excited to try this out because, like I said, I really want to try different things, and I really wanted to try a tinted moisturizer, and why not try ColourPop? They're already so quality. Next, I have the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I've seen so many people love this, and you know, I know it was like a trend back in the day, but I really absolutely still want to try this, so I decided to get it. I got it in the shade F10. I'm really excited to try it and see, because like I said, I've been trying to try out different things, and I'm really excited to try this out and see what is the rave, what's the hype about it, and see if it actually works. So I'm really excited for this. I got the oil-free eye makeup remover by Neutrogena. It is just eye makeup remover, I guess. Yeah, so it's just eye makeup remover. It's not for your full face, I don't believe, anyways. But you kind of just put it on a cotton pad and you put it on your eyes, and then you take off your eye makeup and call it a day. Then I would come in with the deep cleansing oil and then bring out my foundation and everything else. So this is really exciting to try. I've never used this one. The only one I've ever used is the Garnier one. I used the Garnier Micellar Water. I really liked that one, so I wanted to try this one, see how it goes, see how my skin reacts to it, and if it does the job. A dual phase 100% oil-free liquid activates when shaken to gently whisk away even waterproof eye makeup without any tugging, pulling, or stinging. Your skin is left feeling clean and fresh with no oily residue. Aloe and cucumber extracts soothe the skin. Okay, girl, we're gonna see. We're gonna try it out. Next, I got this Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% B5. It's a face oil, and apply a few drops to the face AM and PM before creams. If irritation occurs, cease use and consult a physician. So I've never tried the Ordinary. I heard a lot of good things about it. I do want to try this. Really excited to try this out and add this to my skincare routine. And last but not least, I got these Changing Magic Foot peeling shoes, which I'm really excited about. I don't have cracked feet, but nobody wants to have nasty feet. And with this coronavirus going around, friends, I haven't gone and done a pedicure in a little while, and I need it. So I decided to get these and see. I've seen so many people do like little things like this, and their feet peel, and it's really disgusting, but so intriguing. So I really wanted to try it. And like I said, I really want to try these out, so I got one for me and one for my husband. These are Tony Molly's, or is it Tony Molly? I don't know, Tony Molly. Leave down below how you guys pronounce it. But I got two of them, one for me, one for my husband, so we could do it together because we love each other. Yeah, so this is gonna be really fun. I'm really excited to try these out. I want to try and see. Like I said, it looks so disgusting, but it also looks so intriguing. So I'm really excited to try these out, actually. Ooh, I shouldn't be this excited. Well, that was my Ulta haul. I'm so excited to try everything out, and I'm really excited to get this video up. I can't wait to try all these things out and hopefully make videos of me trying all these things out so that you guys can see and we can all enjoy this together. So yeah, I will link everything that I showed off here down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, as well as my social medias, my Twitters, my Facebooks and stuff. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. And if you're new, hello, my name's Sylvia, and I am a mess, and I'm glad to be your friend. So, yeah, subscribe on your way out, guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And, yeah, see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys!